There are different types of fibers: natural fibers, man made fibers, synthetic fibers. In natural fibers, these are plant fibers, protein fibers, animal fibers. When we further classify the natural fiber, the plant fibers are like flax fiber, hemp fiber, cotton fiber, and sisal fiber. Knitted fiber is also a type of plant fiber. We will discuss the types of knitted fiber and what are the sources of this fiber. Further, physical properties, chemical properties, thermal and moisture properties, and applications of knitted fiber in textile industry and as well as other industries. Types of knitted fiber: there are two types of knitted fiber. First is common knitted fiber. It is source or it is derived from Eurytica duca plant. You can say derived from stacks of stinging nettle Eurytica duca plant commonly found in Europe, Asia, and North America in the regions of high temperatures areas. Second type is Himalayan nettle fiber. It is sourced or derived from, extracted from Himalayan gate nettle, primarily found in Nepal, India, and Bhutan. So the source of common nettle fiber is Eurytica duca, and second Himalayan nettle fiber source is Gardenia diversifolia. So, in simple word or in the language like Urdu, you can say Eurytica is a bichu booty plant, and Gardenia diversia is a Himalayan bichu booty plant. Himalayan booty plant. Physical properties of nettle fiber is are like strong and durable, similar to linen fiber. Second, it is fine and silky texture when processed properly. Third property is natural luster and has a soft feel. Fourth physical property is it has good tensile strength. So there are some chemical properties of nettle fiber: the resistance to pest and mildew. Second, biodegradable and eco-friendly. Third, it absorbs dyes well. These are the chemical properties of nettle fibers. Biodegradable and eco-friendly make it unique as compared to other fibers also. Thermal and moisture properties of nettle fibers: it has high moisture absorbency, keeping fabric breathable. Second, naturally insulating, making it suitable for both warm and cool climates. So these are the thermal and moisture properties of nettle fiber. When we are asked about the applications of this fiber, applications when in textile industry used in making eco-friendly fabrics for clothing, upholstery, and accessories blended with cotton, wool, or silk for improved softness and strength, because it has better softness and strength properties, so it can be blended with the cotton and other fibers. Second section is its application in industrial uses like ropes, fishing nets, and sacks due to its high strength and are also used in paper production. These are the industrial applications of this fiber. Third section is sustainable fashions. This fiber is used as an alternate to synthetic fiber due to its eco-friendly properties. It is also biodegradable fiber. The fourth application of this fiber, it is used in medical and antimicrobial uses. It has a nature or it has a natural antibacterial properties, making it suitable for bandages and medical textiles. So these are the vast applications of needle fiber. I hope by this lecture your concept about the needle fiber source and types and its physical properties, chemical properties, thermal and moisture properties and applications would be very clear. See you in next lecture with another topic. Thank you, Lafis.